One honest sentence can change your entire destiny. A respectable man had with great interest planted a small garden near his house, which he watered every day with his own hands. One day he had gone somewhere outside, when his little son went out for a walk in the garden with a saw in his hand, and while trying to test himself, he cut down one of the best trees. In the evening, when the father came and looked at the garden, he became very angry upon finding that tree cut down, and he began asking everyone who had cut this tree. In the meantime, the son also arrived. When the father asked him, he clearly said, "You will be angry, but I will not tell a lie. I myself have cut the tree." The garden-loving father, who had been so angry, instead lifted his son into his lap with great happiness and said, "My son, I am so happy with your truthfulness that the loss of the tree is nothing compared to it. Well done. Always speak the truth like this." The father's forgiveness and praise had such a deep effect on the boy's heart that he never told a lie throughout his life. Gradually, his truthfulness became famous throughout the whole city. That boy's name was George Washington, who freed America and became the very first president of that great country. The capital of America was also named after this boy.